Hello and welcome. In this video, we will tackle the coding problem known as contains duplicate 2. This is a classic question often found in technical interviews involving arrays and hash maps. Let's first understand the problem. We are given an integer array called nums and an integer k we need to return true if there are two distinct indices, I and j, where the values at those indices are equal, and the absolute difference between the indices is at most k. Here is a positive example. We have an array with values 1, 2, 3, and 1, and k is 3. We see the number 1 appears at index 0 and again at index 3. The difference between index 3 and 0 is exactly 3. Since 3 is less than or equal to our limit k, we return true. Now look at a negative example. The array is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but k is only 2. The number 1 appears at index 0 and index 3. The distance is 3. However, 3 is greater than our limit k, which is 2. No other pair satisfies the condition, so we return false. A naive approach is to use brute force. We could iterate through every element in the array, and for each element, scan the next k elements to see if there is a match. While simple, this results in a time complexity of O of n multiplied by k if k is large. This becomes very slow. We can do better by using a hash map, also known as a dictionary in some languages. The main idea is to remember where we last saw each number. By storing the index of each number as we iterate, we can check for duplicates instantly without rescanning the array. Here is the step-by-step algorithm. First, create an empty map to store numbers and their indices. Then, iterate through the array. For each number, check if it is already in the map. If it is, check if the current index minus the stored index is less than or equal to k. If yes, we found our answer. If not, simply update the map with the new index. Let's trace this with our first example. We are at index 3 and the value is 1. We check our map and see that we previously saw a 1 at index 0. We calculate the distance. 3 minus 0 equals 3. This satisfies our condition, so we return true immediately. This approach is highly efficient. The time complexity is O of n because we only pass through the array once. The space complexity is also O of n, as we might need to store every unique element in our map in the worst case. Here is the implementation in Python. We define a map called scene map. We use enumerate to get both the index and value. Inside the loop, we perform our check. If the condition is met, we return true. If we finish the loop without returning, it means no such pair exists, so we return false. To summarize, we are looking for duplicates within a specific distance window. While brute force works, it is inefficient. Using a hash map allows us to solve this in linear time, O of n, making it the optimal solution for this problem. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.